Have you just downloaded NordVPN to your device? Do not hit that connect button just yet. A vast majority of beginners are unintentionally leaving their IP addresses completely exposed because they ignore one crucial setting. Many people assume that simply turning on a virtual private network makes their connection highly secure. The reality is that if your Wi-Fi connection drops for even a single second, your private data can leak instantly. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use NordVPN properly from start to finish to prevent that from happening. We will cover 3 main steps today. First, we will look at the fastest way to connect and change your virtual location. Second, we will activate your essential security shields, including the kill switch and threat protection. Finally, I will share an advanced tip on how to use obfuscated servers to bypass strict network blocks. Before we dive into the kill switch setup, I want to mention something important. If you do not have an account yet, or if you are stuck using a slow alternative, you can use the special link in the first line of the description below. That link will automatically apply a discount of up to 80% off, plus 1 additional month for free. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to follow along with this tutorial with total peace of mind. Let us start with the basics of getting connected. Once you open the NordVPN application, you will be greeted by a very clean and intuitive map interface. If you just want immediate protection without overthinking it, simply click the Quick Connect button. The application will automatically calculate the distance and server load to connect you to the fastest available server nearby. This is perfect for when you are sitting at a public coffee shop and just need to secure your browsing quickly. However, you might want to access content that is restricted in your current physical location. Changing your virtual country is incredibly simple. You can either drag the map and click on the location pins or use the search bar on the left side of the screen. For example, if you want to connect to the United States, simply type it into the search bar and click on the country name. Within seconds, the top indicator will turn green, showing that your internet traffic is now being routed through a secure U.S. server. Your IP address has changed, and websites will now treat your connection as if you are physically located there. This feature is exactly what you need to securely access different streaming libraries around the world. But hitting connect is really just the tip of the iceberg. To truly protect your online activity, we need to dive into the settings menu. Now, let us look at the most critical security feature you need to enable right now, which is the kill switch. Imagine you are working on a sensitive document or making an online transaction and your Wi-Fi signal briefly drops. When your internet connection stutters, your VPN connection might drop as well. If your device reconnects to the Wi-Fi before the VPN has time to re-establish its secure tunnel, your real IP address and unencrypted data are exposed to your internet service provider or anyone snooping on the network. This entirely defeats the purpose of having a privacy tool. To prevent this, you need to open the NordVPN settings by clicking the gear icon. Navigate to the Kill Switch tab and toggle it on. What this does is act as an emergency network break. If the VPN connection drops unexpectedly, the kill switch instantly blocks your device from accessing the internet until the secure VPN tunnel is restored. It is a simple toggle, but it ensures your data is never transmitted outside the encrypted connection. Next, let us talk about threat protection. You will find the threat protection icon on the left-hand menu. When you enable this, NordVPN actively blocks malicious websites, stops intrusive ads, and prevents web trackers from following you across the internet. You will likely notice that web pages load significantly faster because all those heavy video ads and trackers are stopped before they even reach your browser. It also scans files you download for malware, providing a highly effective layer of defense against everyday cyber threats. Threat protection really is a lifesaver if you frequently visit streaming sites or download a lot of files. As a quick reminder, there are many fake websites out there impersonating VPN providers to steal your payment information. To ensure you are signing up on the official portal, please only use the verified link I have pinned at the top of the comment section. Using that link automatically gives you the maximum discount of up to 80% off and 1 free month. You can test it out thoroughly because they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee if you are not completely satisfied. Now that your fundamental security is locked down, let us move on to some advanced features designed to enhance your experience. The first one is split tunneling. Sometimes you might want your web browser to be protected by the VPN, but you need a specific application to connect directly to your regular internet for the lowest possible latency. In the settings menu, you can find the split tunneling option. Once you turn it on, you can select specific apps that you want to bypass the VPN. This gives you complete control over your network routing without having to constantly turn the application on and off. Another incredibly useful tool is the Obfuscated servers feature. If you are trying to use the internet from a school, a corporate office, or a region with heavy network restrictions, STANDA, or DVPN traffic is sometimes detected and blocked by advanced firewalls. Obfuscated servers are specially configured to hide the fact that you are using a VPN at all. They make your encrypted VPN traffic look like regular everyday internet traffic. To use this, you might need to switch your VPN protocol to OpenVPN TCP in the connection settings first. Then, the Obfuscated servers option will appear in your specialty servers list. Simply connect to one of them, and you can bypass those strict network blocks seamlessly. Finally, let us address the common concern that using a virtual private network will drastically slow down your internet speed. By default, NordVPN uses a protocol called NordLynx, which is built around WireGuard technology. NordLynx is engineered to be incredibly lightweight and fast. In my daily use, the speed reduction is barely noticeable, allowing for smooth streaming and quick downloads while maintaining strong encryption. Always ensure your protocol is set to NordLynx or the recommended automatic setting for the best performance. Let us quickly recap the most important steps. Always remember to enable your kill switch to prevent accidental data leaks. Turn on threat protection for a cleaner and safer browsing experience. And use split tunneling if you need specific apps to run outside the encrypted connection. Once you configure these settings correctly, your online privacy is significantly enhanced. Do not forget to click the link in the description to grab that 80% discount plus 1 month free. Now that you have mastered your VPN connection, I will see you over in that video. Please note that this video contains affiliate links. If you use my link to purchase, it helps support the channel and allows me to make more free tutorials for you.